In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add live chat to your OBS Studio. So I'll show you how to add Facebook, Twitch, Kick, and YouTube live chat to your OBS Studio. First of all, let's see the process for YouTube. So go to your browser and just go to your YouTube and start a live stream. Then from the live stream dashboard, copy the stream key, then go back to your OBS Studio, click on settings, select stream, select here YouTube RTMPS as a service, click on use stream key and paste here your YouTube live stream key and click on apply. And then go ahead and add your video and audio sources. Now just click on start streaming. Once the streaming successfully started, go back to your YouTube live stream dashboard and here you get these YouTube chat option. So click on this arrow icon next to top chat and here we have to select live chat and then click on this three dot and click on pop-up chat and your YouTube live chat will open in a pop-up view just like this. Now just copy the pop-up chat window URL, close the window, go back to your OBS Studio. Under sources, click on this plus icon, click on browser, click on OK, paste here your chat link, click on OK. And here, as you can see, I've successfully added my YouTube live chat to my OBS Studio. And now let's see how to add your Twitch and Kick or Facebook live chat to your OBS. So first of all, go back to your Twitch or Kick or Facebook live stream dashboard. And here I'm going to settings stream and copying the Twitch stream key first of all and going back to my OBS stream and connecting Twitch, use stream key, pasting my stream key here to connect my OBS Studio with Twitch. Now I'm just starting the stream and I'm clicking on start streaming. And now from your Twitch stream manager dashboard, here you get my chat. Here you have to click on this three dot and click on pop-up chat and copy the chat box link from here just like this. Go back to your OBS, click on this plus icon, browser, and paste here the chat box link, click on OK. And as you can see, this is asking to sign in our Twitch account. So just go ahead and enter here your Twitch account login credential and then click on login. Once you're logged in, your Twitch live chat will appear on your OBS Studio. So follow this same process to add your Facebook and your Kick live chat to your OBS Studio.